Hello YouTube, today is live here. And today I have another unboxing and I'm using my CRK Women's On to unbox this. This knife is from National Knives. Let's open this box and see what's inside. Pretty excited about this knife because I've been looking for it for quite some time, and they just recently did a job, and I was able to snag one of this tapes. Cut this open. Cool. Oh, looks like they included some action oil. That's interesting. Cool. And sticker, Demko sticker, cool sticker, and a towel. Okay, that's a first. Yeah, here's the knife. Let's see. Natural G10 AD20. Put in this box. Okay. Okay. So here is the knife. Natural G10 handle. Looks pretty cool. This is actually my first natural G10 handle knife. Look at that. This one is a spear point blade shape. So cool, the spear point blade on this AD20 knife, and I believe this one is in, yeah, if you can, yeah, I believe this one is in Magnacut steel, which is pretty cool. Let's give it a flick. Pretty solid flick. Yeah, I just love the blade shape on this knife. So cool. Let's do a quick comparison between my PM2. As you can see, it's a little bit longer than the PM2, longer in blade length and also in the handle length. How about compare it to the Para 3? Yeah, quite longer than the Para 3, both in handle length and also in blade length. Okay. I also wanted to compare it to my other AD20, which is this one, the titanium, the textured titanium full flight grind CPM 3V AD20. Let's see, same handle length, almost the same blade length. The full flight grind 3V is a little bit longer, but quite similar. And let's look at the blade thickness. That's interesting. almost the same. I feel this one, the spear point blade, is a little bit thicker than this one. This one is definitely a little bit heavier because the handle material. This one being jade or natural G10 handle. It's lighter. Okay, so this one aside for now. Let's just take a look at this knife in more detail. To look at this stonewashed spear point blade. Just gorgeous. This reminds me of my let me put my Rosie. As you can see, the Rosie also have like a spear point thing going on here as well, quite similar to the Demko AD20 spear point. I just think they are so cool. Yeah. I probably will do like a skill swap between these two knives. So yeah, if you want to see the skill swap in action, let me know in the comment section. I will do a dedicated video for that. But I really love this blade shape and blade steel as well. I love the textured titanium handle material for this knife, so I probably will just do skill swap on these two. I think this blade shape with this handle is like the perfect combination. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it for this video. I just want to do like a quick unboxing and overview, first impression on this knife. And like I said, I really love this blade shape. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you enjoy watching this kind of content, please consider subscribing and like this video. Thank you.